Hello and welcome. It's going to be an amazing recipe tonight. We're doing a Crockpot Dinner Bundle. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's going to be a super simple recipe, so follow along and make sure you have some fun. Today we're going to be using Instapot, but if you're using a traditional slow cooker, that's fine too. We're going to use our 2.5 pound Creekstone Farms chuck pot roast. We'll be pairing that with our organic mixed vegetables and some diced potatoes, peppers, and onions. We're also going to use our A1 steak sauce for this recipe. Start with a few simple ingredients. Feel free to add any other seasonings or spices that you'd enjoy. We're going to remove the lid to our pressure cooker and start incorporating all of our ingredients together. We'll add in our beef broth or beef bone broth, 1 cup, 1/2 cup of our A1 steak sauce, a tablespoon of salt, we're using Redmond's real salt, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Once everything is incorporated, if you're cooking from frozen, make sure to use the meat and stew setting. Set your steam release valve to the sealed position. Make sure it's on high pressure setting and cook. Next, release your steam valve. Careful. Serve, and the best part, which is to enjoy. Stay tuned for more recipes or visit heartlandfoods.com.